How to fix voice-to-text button missing or not working on iPhone. Here's a step-by-step guide to fix the issue. Let's start with making changes in screen time. First, open the Settings app on your device. Then scroll down to the Screen Time option and tap on it. Now, navigate to the Restrictions section and select Content and Privacy Restrictions option. Next, tap on Intelligence and Siri option. Here, under the Siri section, locate the Siri and Dictation option and turn on the toggle next to it. Now go back to home screen and open any app. And check if the microphone icon is available. If the microphone is still not visible, then try enabling dictation. Again, open the Settings app on your device. Now scroll down to the General option and tap on it. Again, scroll further to find the Keyboard option and tap on it. Here, look for the Enable Dictation option and turn on the toggle next to it. A pop-up will appear. Tap on Enable Dictation to confirm. Now go back to home screen and open any app. And check if the microphone icon is visible or not. If the microphone is visible, tap on it and try dictating text. If the microphone is not visible, then try updating the iOS. Once again, open the Settings app. Then scroll down and tap on General option. Next, look for the Software Update option and click on it. If an update is available, tap on Update Now. Then enter the phone passcode. Wait until the installation is complete. Ensure that you have installed the latest version of iOS. After updating the software, check if the audio-to-text feature is working. If it's still not working, then try testing the microphone. Open the Voice Memos app on your device. Tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Now speak normally. Once done, tap on Stop button to end the recording. Next, play the audio clip to check if your voice has been recorded. If the voice is not recorded, this indicates an issue with the microphone. To fix this, try contacting authorized service. Visit an authorized Apple Service Center to get the issue inspected and repaired by professionals. And that's it.